Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your third lesson of numeracy in week number 17th, right? Okay, so in today's class, we will be starting with a new topic, and the topic is very interesting. Why? Because I know that all of you are familiar with it, but we will actually revise this topic. This is not which is something new for you, but we will revise it together in an interesting way, and we will be doing some activities as well. Okay, so tell me, what? Yes, what day is today? Can you tell me? If it's third day of the week, so it's Wednesday. Very well done. How many days have been passed before Wednesday? If Wednesday is third, so how many days are before Wednesday? Two, right? One and two. So can you tell me their names? We have Monday on the first, and then we have Tuesday, right? Very well done. Okay. So now who is going to tell me how many days we have in total? There are seven. Excellent. We have 7 days in total, right? And we have already written the names of three. So how many of them are left? Four. Excellent. Okay. So let's first write the number four, five, six, seven, right? Okay. Who is going to tell me what comes after Wednesday? Yes. Okay. Yes, Sarah. Thursday. Excellent. Yes, what comes after Thursday? Who is going to tell me? Yes, Vase. Friday. Friday. Wonderful. What comes after Friday? Is it visible or should I write it over here? Okay, fine. What comes after Friday? It's Saturday. Very well done. And the last fun day of the week is, what is the name of the last day of the week? It's Sunday. So these are the 7 days in a week, right? And this does not happen that after Sunday there comes Thursday. No. This does not happen that after Friday we don't have a weekend. No. This sequence have been followed every time it is going on as a continuous process. After Monday we have Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now let's make an activity chart. I want all of you to please take out your notebooks. You will be making an activity chart. What you will be doing, you will write all of these in a shape. Let's say, let me show you the order. Okay, look at this. I have made this shape. Now you will be writing Monday over here, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, I'm writing Sunday over here again. So first you will write the names. You are supposed to make this chart a little bigger, right? Then you are supposed to write the special activity that you do on that day. Let's say I visit my grandparents on every Friday. So on Friday I'll write visit to grandparents. Now this is something which is special, right? All of the other activities that I go to school, I do my homework, all of these things are something which I do on normal basis, which is not something new, right? So you are supposed to write something which is special, which is unique that you do on that day. Similarly, let's say on every Sunday you visit the park, or you go to the park, or you go to any playground. So that is again something which is interesting. Then we can say that on every Saturday, You play a video game. Let's say, now this is again something which is special that we do on that days, right? So I want all of you to please make a chart like this on your notebooks. Write the names of 7 days first, and then write the special activities that you do on that day, okay? And then show it to me when you are done. Hurry up. Yes, okay. Are all of you are done? Wonderful. Now tell me, what are the special activities that you do in a week? Okay. Or instead of telling me the whole, tell me the your favorite activity in a week. Yes. Okay, let's start with Eliza. Yes, Eliza, which is your favorite activity? Playing with dolls. And when do you do this? On every Saturday. Wonderful. Okay. Yes, Sarah, what about you? Okay. And when do you do this? On every Sunday. Wonderful. Okay. Yes, Ahmed, which is your favorite activity? Visit to your uncle. And when do you visit them? On every Friday. Wonderful. Okay, class. Now let's move forward. I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video related to the days of the week. There is this song which is made. So we will first watch the video together, and then we will move forward. Okay. So I want all of you to please show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Is it visible? Excellent.
There are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Woohoo! And there are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And there are 7 days in a week. Oopsie! We forgot the best one, which is the 7th day of the week. It's Sunday and it's a treat. Yeah, we all love Sundays. There are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week.
Okay, so it was an interesting song. And see, when I was first watching the video, I thought that, oops, they have forgot the seventh day, which is the wonderful day. But this is not the case. They didn't forgot, but they were telling that fun day in an interesting way, right? Okay. So tell me, how many of you get this feeling that, oh my God, they're not talking about the seventh day. They forgot about the seventh day. How many of you get this feeling? Okay, but they didn't forget, right? Okay, now let's move toward the exercise which is in your book. So I want all of you to please open your book page number 86. We will be doing two pages together. They are 86 and 87. This is page number 86. Please open this. Okay, so the first line is, which was in the video, there are 7 days in a week. So, see, over here, all of the 7 days of the week are being written, starting from first, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. And the names are also written Monday, Tuesday. Let's read them together. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right? Okay. Oh, if it would be on me, I will write it as fun day, okay? So, Now, see the activity that we have just did a little ago. It was related to this. Over here, there is this boy who have talked about his activity or his favorite tasks, or let's say some special task during the whole week. So he says that on Monday I ride my bike. And over here there is this picture of the bike. You are supposed to put pencil over it because it is something which is dotted. So you will put your pencil over it and you will turn it to a complete picture. Okay, but you will do it later on. First I want you to write the names over here. Monday is the dash day of the week. Look at the table over here and tell me Monday is the first day. Very well done. Okay, on Tuesday I go to the park, and Tuesday is the dash day of the week. Tuesday is second day. Wonderful. On Wednesday I visit my cousin, and Wednesday is the third day of the week. Excellent. On Thursday, I go to the supermarket with my mother. And Thursday is the dash day of the week. It's fourth day. Wonderful. On Friday, I water the plants. And Friday is the fifth day of the week. Excellent. On Saturday, I play with my friends. And Saturday is sixth day of the week. Excellent. On Sunday, I watch my favorite cartoons on television, and Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Wonderful. Okay, now I want all of you to please take out your pencils, and if you have the colors, you can color it with the same. Let's say there is this bush, you can color it with green. Then we have the this is the face of this boy who is sitting on right, so you can color it with a little brown color. Then we have this trolley, then you can color it with black and white. Then we have these flowers, you can color it with red. Then we have a kite, you can choose any colors of your choice. And finally we have a picture of television. Okay, so it's an interesting activity. Hurry up, take out your colors and start coloring it. Let me know when you are done. So all of you are done. That was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.